Hi folks, Dreams, Design, and Life. You may be asking, what's behind this name? How do we think about it? How does it drive what we do? To answer that, let's get into my digital sketchbook. It really starts with a reflection of the career path. I didn't know much about design despite my love for drawing at an early age, so I guess you could say I took a more pragmatic path through mechanical engineering. And that brought me to the nuclear power industry. There's nothing like cutting your teeth on product than working on reactors. A curiosity for business eventually led to an MBA. So armed with the language of business, mixed with the creative itch from my youth, I was drawn to companies like Nike. Thankfully, Nike invited me to come on board, initially in a business capacity, but I eventually navigated to the product engine to leverage the full complement of my background. My newfound design friends saw the sketches I would make for hobby and encouraged me to try my hand at designing shoes. After getting a couple designs to market, the creative curiosity was absolutely on fire, and that led me to pursue a Master's of Science in Industrial Design. So here I was, this hybrid persona, and most companies couldn't fit me in one box. But I did meet a small team who was like-minded in approach, and together we built an incubator that would eventually grow to become BCG Digital Ventures inside the Boston Consulting Group. So through this journey, curiosity became the defining thread. I'd be lying if I said that this was part of some plan, but what I did develop was the courage to always experiment with my curiosity. For those that know me, my experience has galvanized two important perspectives that I often share. The first is the power of multidisciplinary perspective. I believe that is the currency that leads to the second perspective, which is our ability to see the future in different lights and leverage a diversity of insights to make creative sparks and connections. For me, the highest conviction is around the needs of that future person or people I'm designing for. My want to connect the dots was motivated by the compassion to want to solve human needs and unlock human potential. Imagining people within a future context, you can't help but think about it as a continuum between the past, where we had pure childlike imagination, to the present, where we must embrace our current realities. Across this continuum, the dream often starts at youth, and hopefully we can remain childlike with our imagination, where our dreams will only refine with age. Design is about creating the future. We iterate our ideas through the power of storytelling and also the systems that run behind the curtain to support those stories. Life takes stock in the present. We all go through the ups and downs of life, where we often develop convictions that are much bigger than ourselves. So it's a continuum. Through every engagement, we're going to think about it this way. So there you have it, dreams, design, and life.